everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Have you ever come across a website where you couldn't select or copy any text? This website employs techniques to prevent users from easily copying their content. Whether a researcher, student, or simply curious, learning how to bypass these restrictions can be incredibly useful. In this tutorial, I will show you practical methods to copy text from websites that have disabled copying. We will explore different approaches that don't involve coding but rather simple tricks and tools you can use directly in your browser. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge to access and extract text from these copy protected websites. Let's dive in and unlock the content you need. So basically, this is a website you can actually copy text from. But what if it is a website you can actually copy text from? So the First off, I have three methods I'm going to use in the course of this tutorial, which is inspect, and the second is going to be PDF, and also extension, a Chrome extension. Okay, so let's get into the inspect. So what you want to do is actually just right click first. So when you right click, then scroll down to the end, inspect. Then when you click on it, then what you want to do is actually get this on. So after you've gotten this on, all you need to do is just locate what you want to copy out. Then let's say you want to copy this certain paragraph, then you click on it. Then it is going to get highlighted here. Can you see? So if I over on that one, it's going to show the one after. So if I go before, the one before it. So this is what I want to copy out. So yeah, I'm just going to do this and then copy this out. Yeah, copy. Then I can actually paste it here. So can you see? This is section blah 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 blah. Okay, so that's the first method. Yeah, and the second method is very simple. What you just have to do is just to do Ctrl P. So while it loads, you can just, and then Microsoft to PDF. That's what you need to do now. And you actually don't even need to even save it before you can copy what you need to copy. So you can just do it this way and just copy it out, and then you can paste it also. It's still the same thing that's going to show. I'll just show it. So that's the second one, second method. And yeah, the last one, I'm going to be using this website. Don't be worried about this code you see in here. It's just for practice, and just ignore it. And okay, like I said earlier, this website here, you can actually copy from here, but honestly, there's nothing you're going to do from your normal interface. You're going to be able to copy it out. This is not going to get copied. So just I clicked on. So let me even show you this. Can you see there's no copy button here? But yeah, if you actually over on something and click, you can see copy here. Ctrl C is active here. But yeah, if you over on it and click, there's nothing need to pop up here. So what you want to do is actually just go to your Chrome also, and then I'm going to change this to what I need now. Enable copy extension. So when you go to this enable copy extension, the first thing it needs to show is this certain link. So you click on it, and then when it loads up, what you have to just do is just add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, let's wait while it does this stuff. Okay, installed. Yeah, so I'm just going to make this I'm going to pin this. Okay, then click on it. Can you see this is getting loading? So it has deactivated what is actually stopping this from getting copied. So all you have to do is just, can you see the over effect is almost different already? You can see this blue is actually a lighter blue, so you can just copy this out. Sorry, and there you have it. And for you to get a tip is just if it's actually something like this, from this code, what you just have to do is just put it in your VS Code, and then you can just format the text, and that's all. There you go, you have your copy restricted website content in your clipboard. So ensure to like, share and comment on this post.